Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to preview video in Premiere Pro. So if you want to preview full video, or probably you want to view full video in Premiere Pro, here's a good guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is launch your Adobe Premiere Pro and open your project. Once you open it in the program monitor, open the tab on the preview window, which is to click on the video panel you want to preview, and after that press the title key on the keyboard to make the video panel take up the whole screen. After that, use the space bar to play the pause and the video, to play and pause the video, and after that use the J key to move the backward, on the L key to move the forward, and after that you can also exist the TLD key again to return the normal view. And that is how you can preview full video in Premiere Pro. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more Adobe Premiere tutorial. Thank you.